916, headed to my first car show with Indy and Charlotte in the Porsche, and I'm still breaking in the Porsche, working out all the kinks and bugs out of it. It's definitely an experience taking two dogs, two puppies to a car show. We're heading out here to Outpost at Tunes in Cave Creek, Scottsdale, and stay tuned, man. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button, share the channel. So we made it to Outpost at Tunes, and man, it's packed. End up parking at the end of the parking lot. Got here around 7:10. Got to get here a little bit earlier next time, but it's a nice turnout, man. A lot of cool cars, some great people so far that we met, and about to take a stroll through the parking lot. So stay tuned. Good turnout of cars. A lot of mixture. You got classic Corvettes with new Corvettes. I got it. Got a Corvair over here, which you don't see too often. It's pretty cool. Got a clean Pantera over here. You know, I'm a big fan of the Pantera with the Italian styling and American performance. And this one's got a pretty blue paint on it. I think these are timeless, man. Beautiful car. Got a nice brown interior in it. And they're going up in value, man. They're not going down. These are for sure collectibles. Beautiful car. Got a 68 Cougar, man. XR7. I had one almost with the same color combination too. Yeah, this is exactly what mine looked like when I picked it up. Stock like this. Same thing. Clean. Got a Daytona over here. I've always liked these, man. Even before Ford versus Ferrari. And this one has a Roush. Beautiful motor. Got the Holly setup on it. It's got AC. All the great suspension components. And the thing I like about this one is that you can actually drive it and have you got a roof line, and you could put luggage back here. Super cool car. I got a thing for hatchbacks too.
Just got it for his 85th birthday.
Oh wow. Congrats. Beautiful car. Then you have the sister right here, the Cobras. You guys know about the Cobras. You can never go wrong with these. You pull up, you always get the attention. And this one is actually got a Vortex supercharger. So yeah, it's putting down some power here. Be interested to see what this sounds like. It's got a cool little color too. It's like a kind of like a burgundy. Jensen Healy. That's different. You don't see those. I don't know if you guys have heard of a Jensen Healy, but they also got the Jensen Interceptor. Two totally different cars though. The Healy is more in the class of like the Triumph, the MG, the TVRs. Cool car. 456. You know, these came in automatic too, but this is actually gated, which is more desirable. But these are great Ferraris at a great price if you're looking to get into the Ferrari game. Real subtle, but nice driving cars. And man, you got the prancing horse, a Toyota Celica GT. Got the Datsun 240 representing. And then you have the Skyline. That's a little bit of everything here, man. This GTR right here is a cool spec, and it's a right-hand drive, you guys. Right-hand drive. For you JDM guys out there, let me know what you think. Is this a yay? It's clean. Very clean inside. Got the GT 350. Beautiful Mustang, man. Nice blue on it. Man, it's pretty. 65. Clean. That Carroll Shelby signature inside. That shifter though, look at that shifter, man. That shifter's insane. I wonder how that thing feels. It's gotta be a hydraulic clutch, I would hope. Got the rally stripes. Yeah, I've always liked these, man. I had a 65 with a flare kit on it. Kind of wish I would have kept it now.
Unique performance.
Unique performance. They used to do a lot of the Eleanors, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So they did. They probably did about 100 plus of the Eleanors.
Beautiful.
And they started doing a handful of these. This is number 9.
Wow.
I don't think they did very many more beyond that.
Got the battery secured back here with the kill switch and also the filler cap. Oh, so cool.
Run up with the can. Bam! So you got to take a look at the suspension.
Look at this DB6. Oh man. Mr. Bond right here. This thing is clean. I'm a big fan of the old Aston Martins. And this is no exception right here. Beautiful car. Look at the lines on this thing, man. You talk about classics, man. This is a real classic right here. And right next to it, you have a Jaguar XK 140, the gentleman's cruiser. Beautiful car too. Some of the nicest lines on a car. Look at this interior, man. So clean, man. Man, that's beautiful. As you can see, I'm a classic car fanatic. It could be American or European. Badass. So there's a cool variety, man. This car show out here, first one I've been to at this location. It's got a lot of cool cars, a lot of classics. Another classic Jag sedan. A lot of Porsches. Porsches are deep out here. Corvettes. Even got a Viper back here. It's a decent location though. Just got to get here early if you want really good parking. Oh, here we go. Ford GT. Beautiful. I've never seen one in this white spec like this, man. Look like a... Yeah, these will continue to appreciate and are definitely a crowd favorite. The lines are just insane. I mean, it looks like a spaceship inside. 6-cylinder EcoBoost. Crazy. Supercar, man. Of supercars. A great investment that you can drive. I've seen this car before.
I'm not advanced. I don't go to things for awards.
I said this is a roadster shop. I remember seeing this car. This is a monster right here. This Pontiac, you would never see somebody driving something like this on the road, man. Hey, look at that motor, man.
Don't ever go to a show thinking you're gonna.
That's badass. And that's I believe a Mercury Marine motor. More Porsches, you guys. Porsches are in the house. Got a 944 over here. Sleeper. Want to get one of these and put an LS in it and run it. It's got a good geometry for handling and touring. Got a couple Cobras over here. Great selection. A lot of people. A lot of people. Some people still pulling in too. Now I've seen this car once before, and I believe this is a one-off also. The guy actually, he built this. And it's his own body. I mean, man, this thing is crazy. I can't remember what motor he had in here. Take a look inside. You guys can see, I don't know if I can even, I couldn't fit in here. It's got a tight fit. McLaren over here. It's got a nice spec on it, 570S, carbon fiber, some nice accents. It's got a nice look to it. It's got a nice stance. 570S, you guys. An Alfa Romeo GTV. You don't know about this, huh? This is a classic right here. Alfa Romeo Coupe. I don't remember the hood coming with the see-through. You might have added that. These are cool cars. I've seen these restaurated too. Check out that interior. Classic Italian right here. You don't see these on the road too often. The Elva McLaren. I can't remember how many millions this car is, but I want to say 2 something. No windshield, and yeah, put your goggles on. Beautiful car though. A lot of carbon fiber. I think the whole car is carbon fiber. Looks like a speed racer, man. You picture Speed Racer driving. This is what you would picture him racing Racer X in. The lines are just, man, crazy lines on this car. I've always seen them at dealerships. I've never seen anybody driving one. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. So the Wick Splitter Porsche made it home, no issues. The sniper system is learning the car. The car is so far very reliable, and reliability is my main thing with any car I have built. I want to be able to beat on it. I want it to be reliable, and I want to be able to get in it and start it when I want to go somewhere. So yeah, man, enjoying the 928. The Holley sniper system is learning the car, and they say you have to put, you know, at least a couple hundred miles on it for it to really get dialed in. So I'm getting that dialed in. The next thing I gotta take care of is another AC compressor, because for whatever reason, man, these ACs aren't the same, man. The quality of parts is just really shitty at a lot of these places. So I got another AC compressor coming, and I'll throw that in, and then once I have the AC going, I'll be cool in this Arizona heat, and man, I'll be rolling. I'll catch you at the next car show. But before I go, make sure you guys go to BigKirk916.com and pick up one of the limited edition Porsche wide body t-shirts that I'm wearing one right now with the Never Settle for Average patch on the sleeve. Now with these t-shirts, I will be including a bar of Wash Your Ass soap with your order. So, hey man, put your size in. I'm only doing 24 of these, so when I'm done, I'm done. That's it. They're limited edition. I'm gonna sign each one and throw you in a bar of soap so you can wash your ass and smell clean when you're wearing a t-shirt. So, Big Herc 916, muscle up. Go to the Herc store at bigherc916.com and pick you up a bar of soap so you can wash that ass, or pick you up some Never Settle for Average merch or some of the Muscle Up Car Lifestyle merch. We have hats, Never Settle for Average, got the Muscle Up t-shirts. We also have the Never Settle for Average tank tops. Got the Muscle Up Car Lifestyle hoodies. Got the beanie caps. Hey man, represent. And I know you guys aren't average, so pick you up some swag and step your game up. Hello, I'm Big Herc 916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking. Hello, my name is Big Herc 916, and I'm with the Wash Your Ass Committee, and I'm traveling across America helping people wash their ass and get their booty holes clean. And I have with me here today Wash Your Ass soap, and this one in particular is Butt Naked Scrub, but I also have Festival, Oatmeal Milk and Honey, Jamaican Me Crazy, Monkey Farts, and all these scents smell very good. They will help cleanse your body of funk and also make you feel better about yourself. So if you can go to bigherc916.com, you can pick you up a bar. And my goal is to help America combat funk.